NX speeds multiphysics workflows by integrating the broadest set of solver technologies within a single environment. With NX, you replace multiple analysis systems with a single environment where you can rapidly map output from one analysis for use as input by another discipline. This maximizes your productivity and eliminates errors due to complex data translation. NX7 expands its integrated multiphysics solutions to include durability and motion analysis with flexible bodies, along with enhanced solutions for structural, thermal, and flow analyses. NX delivers an integrated environment for multi-body dynamic simulation so you can quickly build prototypes and evaluate the motion behavior of your systems. You can also validate electromechanical product behavior with NX's co-simulation capabilities. With NX7, you can import a motion model into Simulink, so your controls engineers can refine algorithms while working within their familiar design environment. Here, you see how an engineer is able to specify a desired motion profile for the bucket and generate the required cylinder force within Simulink, and then view the final animation in NX. NX Motion also lets you take mechanism compliance into account with the introduction of flexible bodies in NX7. Part flexibility is important because it changes the geometry of the mechanism and can lead to serious design issues. With NX7, you can validate your designs using higher fidelity models that combine elastic deformation and rigid body motion to evaluate conditions such as sharp impacts, sudden changes in motion, or the effect of component flexibility on mechanism performance and durability. Structural fatigue analysis is used by engineers to predict design life or durability. NX7 introduces two new products for evaluating durability, a durability wizard and an advanced durability solution. The NX Durability Wizard provides you with an intuitive, guided process to compute strength safety factors and fatigue life. The wizard even allows you to prepare an Excel-based report that summarizes the analysis results. And since the solution is fully integrated in NX, you can rapidly study the impact of any design change without worrying about complex data transfers. The Advanced Durability Solution assists expert users in performing more complex analyses with support for static and transient loads and the ability to handle biaxial stresses and notch effects. NX offers computational fluid dynamics, otherwise known as CFD, thermal, and coupled thermal fluid solutions that are fully integrated into the native NX environment. NX gives the flexibility you need to model complex thermal and flow systems. For example, in this mold cooling model, you can use a 1D mesh to model the pipe, 2D shell elements to model the pipe surface, and a 3D mesh to model the mold body and part. You can apply convection and radiation boundary conditions to the mold surfaces and model forced convection through the cooling pipes using a duct flow boundary condition. You can also leverage synchronous technology to simplify your modeling. For example, you can create a fully associative air volume for representing the interior of this medical dose inhaler. NX allows you to automatically create mesh mating conditions and refine the mesh around the injector nozzle to ensure accurate calculation in areas of high flow gradients. To visualize how effective the injector nozzle is at dispensing the medication, you can inject particles at the inlet and track them in the flow field.